Hello everyone, we are the Hardman family with Soul RV. We are from the Sunflower State of Kansas. We enjoy bird watching from our home in our lovely window room as well as from both of our RVs.
We will be bird watching the weekend of October 17th and 18th for the Global Bird Weekend event, and we would love for you all to join us. Absolutely anyone can participate. Aiden here, he has a way of taking photos and videos of the birds he sees with his iPad and an adaptive switch. And we're going to show you an example of what that looks like now.
Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, oh why can't I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Thank you for your interest in our little world and allowing Aiden to show you that anyone can participate in bird watching. You just have to be a little creative.